So this video is all about the menopause and its symptoms, and possibly a little bit of self-care that might help to alleviate those hot flushes and to rebalance your hormones a little bit. So grab yourself a teaspoon, preferably a nice cool or cold teaspoon that's been either in the fridge or the freezer. Will help with the sensation on the skin. So find yourself a nice quiet spot and follow me. So working with the back of the spoon, this area of the forehead, nice circles for 30 seconds. Closing your eyes. Emptying your mind. Concentrating on your breathing. Then I'd like you to work between the eyebrows and stroke 7 times this area. And then finish by circling your chin area again 7 times.